Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So how to use the Philips Sonicare electric toothbrush. So when you get the package, the head is detached. So pretty much you just slide it in like this. And you will notice this gap here. So this is okay as it is, you don't need to do anything else. Then pretty much you just press the power on button and the toothbrush will just start to work. And it's using the last program that you've set. In my case it's Gum Pro. If you press it again, it will just turn off and display at the end the battery percentage. If you want to just change the program, you start it and then you continually press. You will see deep clean, sensitive, white, and it will turn off. Gum Pro, clean, deep clean, and so on. You turn it off, you just keep pressing until the toothbrush will turn off. Then when you turn it on, it will start working again with the last program. In this case it was Gum Pro. So after you have finished, what you need to do is to just wipe any water from it. It's water resistant, so you can just slide it under the water and just clean it. You also need to remove the head every time you finish, like this. You need to wipe any water around this area and from this metal. You also need to pour water here and just clean the head. And that's pretty much it. You can just store it like this. You attach this plastic protection if you want, and you just leave it to dry. So this is how you can use the Philips Sonicare electric toothbrush. Alright, I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe and thank you for watching.